everyone. I'm Dr. Shalini Gupta and I'm a cosmetic dermatologist. I have been practicing for the last 20 years. And of course, I'm extremely passionate about your skin and helping you take care of your skin the best that you can. So along with the things that you can do at home, which includes getting good sleep and rest and reducing stress and eating healthy and avoiding sun exposure and then coming in for procedures that help to reverse aging, a big component is also, of course, the products and ingredients that we place on our skin besides what we ingest. And the skin barrier is actually quite permeable. So 86% of the ingredients that we put on our skin, whatever that may be, actually gets through into the skin and into our bloodstream, and then it can circulate throughout our bodies. And there have been studies done where certain chemicals, for example, that are found in deodorants and other creams when applied to the underarms and other areas have shown up in biopsies of breast tissue. Now, we don't know if they were causative for any type of cancer or they were just happened to be present, but we know that they're present, and it always raises a little bit of concern. So I tried to look for products that were organic, and I found that most of the organic skincare also is laden with all types of chemicals. So it may have some organic components, but some of the components are not, and usually those are the preservatives, and then most of them also have colorants or they have perfumes and fragrances, which are all chemical based. So in that quest, I decided to look back, and I have always been passionate about a study called Ayurvedic medicine. So Ayurveda actually translates directly to the study of long life. So this is the study of finding the causes of aging and helping to reverse aging and hence having a healthier life and a longer life. This is a thousands-year-old tradition dating back to thousands and thousands of years. And in that course of time, a lot of experiments were done with a lot of natural ingredients found in our environment, in nature. Our bodies are, of course, a product of nature, and everything that we put on our skin should also be a product of nature. And there really is no plant that does not have medicinal value. So the key is finding the right plants that have the right medicinal values for what we are trying to treat. And that has already been discovered by many rishis and munis who have devoted their life to selflessly studying these different components found in our natural environment that can help us to look younger, to stay healthier, and to be our best. So that's really what drove me to creating the Moksha skincare line. So Moksha is a completely chemical-free product line that does not have any phthalates, no parabens, and it does not have any artificial fragrances or colorants in it. So everything that is in the Moksha skincare line is completely organic, it is certified, and more importantly, lacks all the chemicals that are found in many of the organic skincare lines. I created 4 different creams that you can apply to the skin. One of them is called an anti-aging cream, and it has specific ingredients that help to stimulate collagen growth and help your skin be more supple and youthful. There is also an anti-inflammatory cream called Skin Soothing, and that helps to reduce inflammation in the skin. And it has extracts of things like turmeric to help reduce that inflammation more locally at the skin level. I also have a cream that helps with pigmentation called Skin Brightening Cream, and that is also really excellent for reducing pigmentation, and it has certain ingredients that we know such as sandalwood oil that help to reduce pigment growth and melanogenesis in the skin. Now for the cleansers, I found that most of the cleansers, again, are just laden with all kinds of chemicals that make them more soapy and foamy. And so to try to avoid that, I have 2 different skin powders essentially that you can mix with a little bit of water, and then you can massage them on your skin. You can actually leave it on the skin even for a few minutes and let them dry out, And in that process, they help to attract a lot of the toxins and extract those out of your skin, and then you can wash that off. And it's amazing how smooth your skin feels, and it really helps to take off your makeup too. So there are two different products that I have. One is a gentler powder, and then the other one would be for patients who have perhaps a little bit more severe oil production issues in their skin, who have acne and so on. So this is my passion. I hope that you will like the Moksha skincare line. To me, it was important because certainly we take a lot of care about what we're ingesting these days. We try to stick to organic products because we know those chemicals can be harmful and they can be carcinogenic. And I think in the same way, it's important what we put on our skin, because it's like what we're eating. The skin will absorb those products, and if it's good enough to eat, then I think it's good enough to put on your skin. So thank you so much for listening to this, and I hope that this will spur a little bit of thought, and let us know if you have any questions about our skincare line called Moksha. Thank you.